Yeah. Abusuafo a yɛahyia mu wɔ ha, mɛda mo ase ɔdɔ sononko a mo ada no adi. Abra na MC no early day prayer auto it is well with my soul. At once na many asiatata nisuo. I started crying. My wife didn't understand why. But truly, I will say, for what I've seen in these months, for me to be alive, for me to be able to at least appreciate all family members who have gathered here with my right eye, I will say it is well with my soul. I hear a lot. I won't say I see, but I hear. I ask what is happening. What are people saying? Am I going to see again? I remember when we got to Dubai, the doctor was analyzing the whole situation and said, we need to check something because we still don't understand why the left eye is shutting off. So what we can do probably is to check on the nerves that connects to the brain. Straight away, all I said was, oh Lord, I've helped the blind. I've used my platform. I've worked and saved this nation. Will this be my end? I prayed in my head, and I know the Lord at the right time will answer this prayer. Let me start this way. Our gathering here, I remember when my wife told me that the family will be coming. I said, oh yes, my family also said after we're returning, they also want to visit. Then why don't we arrange so that they all come together? Then I said, yes, it is a family meeting, but let's invite some of the media houses.